So hello everyone. So as our previous lectures, we discussed about columns. So this is our last topic. This is a helical column. So today we will discuss about design of helical column. So we have one numerical problem. So the question is, design a short circular column to carry an axial load of 1000 kN using helical reinforcement. So we have to use M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. We have a helical column, we have a uniaxial column, circular column, and the applied load is axially loaded. So the load is 1000 kN and the reinforcement we are using in the particular column is helical. And we have to use grades M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 grade of steel. So now first we will discuss about given data. The given data is FCK and Fy and the load. So first we have to multiply the factor load. So we have to multiply 1.5 the factor load, partial factor of 1.5 for concrete into load. So 1.5 into 1000 equals to 1500 kN. Now for helical reinforcement, we have to go for IS 456 page number 81. There is a question that the load particular when we apply the helical reinforcement, we have to multiply 1.05. So for dividation equals to that will come 1428 kN. Now we don't have axially loaded or the uniaxial loaded or the biaxial loaded. So we apply uniaxial loaded for ascension. So we have to apply the load for uniaxial. The load is formula for this PU equals to 0.4 FCK Ag minus 0.01 Ag plus 0.67 Fy into 0.01 Ag. Now put all these values in this particular formula and calculate the value of Ag. Now Ag is here. We have calculated Ag. Now for this is a circular column, so we have to calculate the diameter. So the diameter for the Ag is a gross area. Ag equals to pi by 4 d square, the area of the circle. So from here we have to calculate the diameter of the column. So diameter of the column is 415 mm. Now we have to check this is the column for axially loaded or the biaxial loaded. So put all these values in the formula 0.05 into d. The value of d is 415. So our value for multiplication for this is come for 20.75. It is greater than 20. So it is greater than 20. So our column is uniaxial column. So our assumption is right. Now the formula for AS equals to 0.01 Ag. So we have to multiply Ag into 0.01. Now from here we have to calculate AS. So our AS is 1334.58. Now we have to calculate number of bars. So number of bars, the formula for number of bars is AS upon area of circle. Area of circle for the steel bar, the AS is 1334.58 upon the area of steel bar. The area of steel bar in a circular pattern. So the value for area of circle is pi by 4 d square. So we have to apply 16 mm die of steel. So from here we have to calculate number of bars. So number of bars is 7 bars. Now calculate the die of 4. Die of 4 is that when we apply, this is a column, when we apply the reinforcement, the reinforcement is from here to here. Now the particular remaining portion, the concrete will fill from here. So the cover from both the sides is 40 mm and 40 mm for both the sides. Now the remaining portion is 415 mm. So the dia of core is 415 minus 2 multiplied by 40 equals to 335 mm. Now calculate the area of concrete. The area of concrete, the area of concrete means that the area which are placed in particular column is we have to multiply the area of steel bars. So area this is pi by 4 into d square. The d square from the dia of core is 335 minus square minus 7 bar. We have 7 bar. So 7 into dia of circle. The dia of the circle in a steel bar is pi by 4 d square. Now the d from here is 16. We had put from above the equation is 16 square. So from here we have to calculate area of concrete. The area of concrete is 85162.29 mm square. Now we had calculated the area of concrete, area of steel bar, dia and gross area. Now from helical reinforcement, now we have to calculate factor ratio. The factor ratio formula for 0.36 bracket AG upon AC, area of gross upon area of concrete, minus 1 into FCK, characteristic strength of concrete upon characteristic strength of steel, F1. So put all these values in this formula and calculate the value of factor ratio. So factor ratio value is 0.0098, and the other formula for factor ratio is volume of the helical reinforcement upon volume of the core. So the volume of the core, the DK is the dia of the core. The steel bar is 6 mm, so we have to minus 335 minus 6, because the steel bar are placed in particular area and we have to minus for that particular area. So we had calculated from DK. So DK is 335 minus 6 is 329 mm. Now we have to calculate the area of helical reinforcement. Area of volume of helical reinforcement. The formula for volume is area into multiplied by length, meter, or etc. So we have multiplied from area of helical volume of helical reinforcement is area into perimeter. So area is pi by 4 into 6 square. 6 is the reinforcement we applied for particular column in helical form, into the area of perimeter is pi by s into 329. S is the spacing between the two reinforcement. Now the volume of the core. The volume of the core is area of concrete into 1 mm spacing, because when we apply the reinforcement in 6 mm, so we have to detect from the area, because there is a spacing between the concrete and the steel bar. So it is, we had taken for 1 mm. So we have to multiply AC into 1 mm spacing. So put all these values in the particular formula factor ratio. The factor ratio is about 0.0098 into area of helical reinforcement is here, and the area of core is here. Now from here we have calculated there is one unknown. The one unknown is only spacing. So we have calculated the spacing. So spacing is 36 mm. Now open page number 49 for IS 456. There are 4 type of formulas for calculating the helical reinforcement. So first formula is spacing, as what we had calculated. The calculated value is 36, and the second is 75 mm. It is mentioned in the particular page, and the third one is 1 by 6 and the core dia. And the fourth one is 3 into dia of spherical. The spherical reinforcement is we have taken for 6 mm. So 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18 mm. Now we have to take the value from 18, between 18 and 75. So our value is 36, means it is a correct form, because the value is less than 18 and greater than 70. Greater than 18 and less than 75. So is value is 36. So our value is right. Now this is a particular diagram for the helical reinforcement. This is a circular column. This is a vertical bar, main bar. We have calculated for 7 bar that is applied particular column, and from here we have to apply the helical reinforcement. Helical reinforcement means the tilting values, and the tilting you can say that the reinforcement when we apply in this way, particular the zigzag way, and you can say helical form. So this is a helical reinforcement. The spacing between two helical reinforcement is 36 mm. All these values we had calculated in particular questions, and from the previous lecture we had discussed column, clusters, and conditions, and the short column, long column, and uniaxial column, biaxial column. And the second videos we had design the square column, and in previous lecture we have one video is all around on circular column, and this is the last topic, helical reinforcement column. So thank you.